Pigeon! Guys, a pigeon just fell. Oh, little guy. Oh my god, I'm holding a pigeon! I'm holding a pigeon! Oh my god, he needs dry shelter. Poor little pigeon. Little pigeon! Oh, he fell out of the sky! Oh, be careful. Poor pigeon, guys. It's the first time I held a pigeon on the summer break. I hope he's okay. I hope he lives a good life.
He's hurt.
Poor man. Oh, Pigeon, I saw him fall out of the sky. Rain. The rain lay down on his little feathers. Poor guy. Biedny piluzik. Papa. Look, biedny piluzik. Oh my god, poor little baby. I'm recording this whole thing.
The way tender.
What are they doing to the pigeon? Oh, that's bad. They're gonna go heal him, I hope.
Коробочка. Yes. Wow.
Oh my god, that is some rain.
Не было его в плане.
Oh, that water accumulating.
Вон там можно поесть. А можно есть?
Mom really wants something.
Да?
Oh yeah, that's it.